This is a love reading for you, Aquarius, for you and your partner. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards and see how's the guidance. Now, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Aquarius, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, you should note that. As I said, this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Aquarius. Do read my September newsletter. It is made with lot of effort, and I look forward to people reading it. And if you would like to book a reading, you can, or maybe wherever if you share it widely, I get a wider audience. So let us see how's the guidance. Who are you in the relationship, Aquarius? Who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? I'm getting such nice cards here. One is Aquarius, you like to be happy. Above all the things, you like to be happy. So it doesn't matter to you if there is money or no money, if something is working out in some situation or not working out. But what matters is that your happiness should stay, or you should continue to be happy. Because I'm seeing you as a person who's very welcoming of people, who's very embracing of people. You rarely turn anybody away. Also, when I'm seeing this, you are giving a lot of acceptance to your partner. It's like your partner does not have any doubt of how much you love your partner or how much you love your spouse. The reason is you are very expressive and you go great lengths to tell people about it. So there is a lot of joy, a lot of happiness and love that I'm seeing about you. This is also an energy of celebration. So some of you are totally feeling that you are with the person who you are meant to be with, and this is a union of happily ever after, or this is who you want to be with. So you are very happy with your partner, and it shows so everybody around you can see it. Who is your partner in the relationship? He or she is someone very well to do, and is also very extravagant. It's like someone who likes to show what they have, and they also like to impress. So your partner may be wearing the nicest and expensive of shoes, dresses up very well, and then can impress with doing some whatever handiwork that needs to be done, and has some great ideas that they can roll into, and then they are money churning ideas. So your partner is someone very well to do and has lot of material sense also. He or she knows how to make money and doesn't take anything for granted. He or she works to make a lot of money and then has a lot to show for. So he or she also comes from almost a royalty like background. Maybe it's a good education, maybe it is a very stable background that your partner is coming from, but has a lot to show for, and is just anybody who would to see your partner would say polish, great impression, great personality. So very nice cards. So also your family is very happy that you are with this person. So your family totally approves of this partner, who's very smug with all the riches they have made, all the success that they have had. Now, what is the strength or challenges you bring and your partner brings? You are very clear in your head, Aquarius, how you want certain things to be. But you're not someone who's very loud, or who goes around making things happen in a certain way. You're always somebody who will stay in the background, but whenever the need be, you will show up with this great courage, great strength, and all the preparedness. And there is a lot of polish in you as well, So I just said that your partner is like this. Somebody who has royalty, and then I see you as a royalty as well. So maybe you're not as rich as your partner, but I'm seeing that from the background, I'm seeing that you come from a exceptionally good old money. It's like you have your manners in place, you have a lot of decency in place, lot of integrity and truth in place. So this is a very common maybe attraction for the two of you, that you both have a lot of class in you. And you take the high road. It's not like you are into a regular fight or bitter banter with regular people. So very nice cards here. So what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? He or she must have taken a very long break in between dating or meeting people. Maybe your partner has gotten married after a fairly long time, or at a ripe age. So he or she did not get married early. Or if you both are dating, I'm seeing that your partner took long break before they started to date you or meet you or go out with you. The reason is, I'm seeing there is some kind of a sadness. Maybe it had to do with a certain death, maybe it is just grief, or just some, just losing out on some friends or something. So your partner has certain sadness in them, and then they were not emotionally really meeting many people, and then may have met you after a long break. So how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's new money, and that someone who doesn't come from a very lavish or a great background, and has made all the success and riches all by himself or herself. So you see your partner as someone who doesn't have much family, and also did not have much money while growing up. So this is how you see your partner. Also, I'm seeing is that there may not be many people your partner is able to call as family, whether it is parents or siblings or extended family. For whatever reason, your partner is either not in touch with them, or there isn't much family really, your partner has. So this is how you see or understand your partner. So how does your partner see you? Your partner sees you as someone who's very easy to handle, and even if there is a small fight or something, you never push it, or you give up very quickly, or you only say it and you don't want to literally keep fighting it. So your partner likes this energy about you, Aquarius, that you do fight or argue whenever needed, but you don't make it bad, and then you are easy to handle. So you very quickly either forget the fight or argument is over very quickly. So your partner likes this about you. So quite balanced energies here. These are very good and beautiful set of cards going on for you, Aquarius, and your partner. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? You feel, Aquarius, that your partner can sometimes be very detached or refuse to talk about their fears or worries. And you feel like this is because your partner may not be telling you about a certain sadness or grief they were with for the longest time. So you feel that this energy may also come in the future, and your partner may refuse to open up or tell what was bothering, or why was life in a certain way, or what is bothering them. So you feel in the future this could be a problem. So if you're a partner to the Aquarius and this reading resonates with you, you want to start to open up to Aquarius and tell them what you are feeling emotionally. Now, how do you as a partner feel about the future with Aquarius? You feel that Aquarius can give you a heartburn, and I don't know why you feel this energy as a partner. When the cards are so beautiful and everything is vibing so well, this energy could be coming. The reason for you worrying about a heartbreak in the future, it could be because you don't have much family really, partner. So you may be feeling that maybe Aquarius will disappoint you and turn out to be like maybe some people in the past. It could be anybody you're thinking of. So this insecurity is quite misplaced as a partner, because I'm seeing that Aquarius is quite genuine, and if you have some worries, you should speak up and you should discuss it. You don't tell many things emotionally, and then you're also worrying about the future together, and that maybe there could be a breakup in the future. So you should speak up, and then maybe things would start to look good. It is just a fear that you have as a partner about Aquarius. What is the past your partner is coming from, and what is the past you are coming from? In the past, I'm seeing is lot of money, very very rich and a good background Aquarius is coming from. You see, King of Pentacles is somebody who's very very exceptionally well to do, and this is not just somebody who's well to do, is also someone who has lot of polish and class in them, which is what was showing here in you, Aquarius. So your past is, you come from a family, from a very well to do family, and you're very genuine about things, you're very happy, you have learned how to live life being happy, and it's doing good for you. Now, what is the past your partner is coming from? I'm seeing abuse here. Maybe a certain parent was exceptionally punishing or strict, or just too much discipline while growing up. And this could also be maybe just schooling. Maybe your partner, as a partner, you did schooling in some boarding school or something, and then you just feel that your childhood was not so happy and surrounded with family. So I'm just seeing a certain abuse here. It could have been coming from a family, or maybe how you were in the school growing up, but you felt people were exceptionally difficult or disciplining you while growing up. So this is a very very tough energy. So you have taken your time, maybe it has stopped you from being expressive because of how I see these cards, and that is why you're not so free with your speaking about your emotions. So you can take your time, partner, but then you should open up to Aquarius. Now, how's overall the love reading? What a beautiful set of cards. This is a very beautiful and a magical card. When I see 10 of Cups, it's telling me happily ever after. This union is blessed, and it's just like everything is smiling on the two of you. And whatever be how you think about the fears about the future together, looks like things are going to work out, and the two of you are going to take this union or relationship further ahead. And if you're already married, I'm just seeing that this marriage is a bliss. So it's just beautiful set of cards where the two of you understand each other and you're very happy with each other. So this is how the reading is, Aquarius, for you and your love interest.